first sneeze. I knew there'd be more where that came from. Oh my god. So, I have 2 pet chinchillas, and I love them to death, but chinchillas, they take dust baths, and so, and so, and so, and so cleaning their cage means that I have to endure a lot of sneezing when a lot of the time, and so it's unfortunate for me, and fortunate fortunate for, I guess, whoever's bothering to listen to this right now. Oh, my word. I can barely see. My eyes are tearing up so bad. Good Lord. Oh gosh. My nose feels just on fire. And, God. Oh. I had intended for this. I had intended to just talk throughout the whole thing, no matter what. But oh, I intended to talk throughout the whole thing, no matter what. But I'm just sort of overcome with sneezes at the moment. And I don't have any tissues because I was not prepared for this. So they're all in the other room. I just sort of, when I felt like I was going to sneeze, I knew what was coming, and I knew what was coming, and I turned the recorder on. So no word on when this will end. I don't. I'm not quite sure why. When we see stories on Tumblr and on the forum, they're always about pollen and and dogs and cats, but they very rarely, actually I don't think that I've ever seen one about chinchillas, which is very strange to me because, it's a creature that bathes in dust. It kicks up dust baths, and then when you go to clean its cage, it's practically all in your face. So anyway, that's a mystery to be solved another time. I am going to go take care of myself now. I hope everyone has a lovely day. It was nice meeting you all.